the police, come on. Whoa, whoa, fuck the police, come on. Whoa, 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 police, what's up, nigga? Fuck the police coming straight on the underground. A young nigga got a pack of a brown. And I found my palace on police stick. They have the authority to kill them by no ID. Fuck that shit because I heard them work for a motherfucker with a abandoned gun to be beat, no. It's don't need chill. We can go toe to toe in the middle of a slam. Fucking we beat cause I'm a teenager. Let a little bit of gold in a page out. Look at my car, looking for the partner. Thinking every nigga is selling narcotics. You ever speak? Me and a pig and me and the razor rolling in a pizzo. Me and police out of shape and where it finished. Really yellow tight. Take off the speed of the swallow. Still keep swallowing bread and water. I don't know, and they find someone else so much I can get down. Exactly, it's not. We're on the pan. But I can't get no. Girl, let it be a blank. In the white wood, Brazil slammed you down to the street top. Black police showing out for the wine cop. Ice Cube will swore. Oh, getting motherfucker in a blue uniform. Just come up from this NBC. Police don't afraid of me. I'm your nigga on the warpath. And when I finish, it's gonna be a blood bath. Oh, cops, target LA. Yo, Trey, I got something to say. Yo, fuck the police. Fuck the police. Yo, Fleur, fuck the police. 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 That's right, one, not. I see we got the pig going. Well, check me out.